Hello, I'm Ian Burbeck, contributing editor at Telecoms.com, and today I'm delighted to be joined by Marco, CTO of EOLO in
Hello.
Italy, and we're going to be discussing 5G mmWave technology. But for those who might be unaware, could you tell me a bit about EOLO's position in the Italian market?
Yeah, so hello everyone. EOLO is the leading operator in Italy providing services in rural areas. We have connected 700,000 customers so far, and we are providing fixed wireless access service to our end user customers. We want to, our focus, our mission is to provide very high quality ultra broadband connectivity in rural areas to close the digital divide gap we have in Italy.
So how has the 5G mmWave technology allowed you to deliver a digital speed experience, and how is it disrupting the Italian market?
Yeah, so since last October, so October 2025, we launched on the market the new service 1 gigabit per second downstream, 200 megabit per second upstream, based on 5G technologies, operating 26 gigahertz, 200 megahertz block on our infrastructure, and leveraging chipset that are standard on the market and technologies that come from 5G 3GPP standard. So now we are rolling out the network. So we started with connecting the first customers. We have already thousands of customers already connected over the first hundreds sites. And every day we are releasing new sites, so we are increasing the coverage. And the results and the feedback we are getting from the market is very exciting, both from the customer, but also from the technician, that they know every single issues on the technology, and they're saying that that's a very powerful technology.
So what are the main competitive advantages that this technology allows you to deliver?
Yeah, so the major point is that we can provide fiber-like services where fiber is not there. And based on the design of our network that is fully focused to provide fixed wireless access services, we can provide very high capacity connectivity. We can provide a very excellent experience over the prime time. So it's because every single component of our network, from the customer premise through the access network, the backhauling, the IP edge that we have in our network and interconnection, are designed to provide the best quality to the customer.
So how has the partnership with Snapdragon X75 allowed you to improve the network density and also overcome the tough terrain of Italy as well?
Yeah, so we are using the X75 Qualcomm chipset at the customer premise, so it's integrated in the external antenna that we are installing on the rooftop of the customer premise, because we need the line of sight between the receiving antenna and the infrastructure antenna on the RAN side. And that chipset and that equipment is allowing us to provide a very stable and high-performing service to the end-user customer.
So what has been Qualcomm's role in all of this, and do you think other operators that are watching could replicate this model as well?
Yeah. So Qualcomm has done a very good job with us. So now we have a platform on field that is very stable and that can deliver service both to residential customers but also to wholesale customers. That we are working both on retail market and wholesale customers, and a lot of operators in Italy but also abroad Italy are coming to us because there's a lot of interest in mmWave as the alternative technology to fiber, not just in Italy but also in other countries.
So what do you think, if we could get a crystal ball, what do you think the future is for this technology?
So I think that starting from Italy, I think that we can reach up to 80% of the coverage by fiber, 75-80% by fiber, 20%, 15 to 20-25% will be covered by mmWave FWA. And there will be just 1, 2, 3, 5% of the market that will be covered by satellite, because there are some very remote sites that neither fiber or FWA can reach. So that's our view.
Well, it's an exciting time, and congratulations on all the success. Hope to speak to you next year.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.